Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and fine in your home. Welcome to EVS class kids. Today we are going to see unit number 2 evaluation. Our unit number 2 is getting over by this video. Okay, kids? So we are going to see the evaluation part which is given in our book with some more exercises. Okay? So see here in your book they have given this evaluation. You have to observe the picture given below and then you have to draw the shapes they have given. They'll give some instruction, read that and then you have to put the corresponding shapes near that objects. Okay, ma'am. So they have given you circle, star, rectangle, triangle and then square over here. ஓகேவா ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் என்னன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம் அதுக்கப்புறமா அந்தந்த இடத்துல நம்ம இந்த ஷேப்ஸை போட போகிறோம் ஓகேவா ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பிக்சர்னு பார்க்கலாம் அண்ட் தென் லெட் இஸ் மூவ் ஆன் டு த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் ஓகே ஸோ கேன் யூ ஏபிள் டு see this so it is a park okay in the park you can see children are playing with different things and then you can see வேறு என்னெல்லாம் பார்க்க முடியுது kite பார்க்க முடியுது இல்லையா one boy is flying a kite and then one boy is playing with a ball and then see a girl she is standing near a flower okay she's holding a flower in her hand and then one girl is eating corn okay so one person is selling corns in a cart and then see a girl is sitting with her father and then you can see a pond small pond with a lotus in it and a boy is holding a chain of the dog okay so likewise you can see different things and also many trees are there right so this is the park scene okay so now let us move on to the instructions okay you can see here right so now let us move on to the instructions given first one is you have to draw a circle near the kite where is the kite in this picture we can see only one kite okay so where is the kite it is here so what you have to do is you have to draw a circle near the kite okay ma so you have to draw a circle near the kite and then what you have to do is you have to draw star near the objects which produce sound எதெல்லாம் sound produce பண்ணுமோ அந்த objects okay அந்த objects பக்கத்துல you have to draw a star so which object will produce sound see this horn okay so it will produce sound right so I'm putting a star over there so next one is third one okay so third one is you have to draw a rectangle near the object with the smell எந்தெந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எதுக்கெல்லாம் ஸ்மெல் இருக்குமோ அதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் we are going to அது பக்கத்தில் ஸ்டார் போட போகிறோம் see here this beautiful flowers okay these flowers have smell and then the corn will have smell okay so two stars I have drawn here you have to draw rectangle near that okay rectangle near the objects with the smell and then you have to draw triangle with the objects which are tasty how you will feel the taste while eating only you will feel the taste right you are using your tongue you will feel the taste so இங்க இருக்கிற எந்த objects நம்ம taste பண்ண முடியும் corn okay only corn so you have to draw a triangle near corn okay these corns okay va so next one you have to draw a square near the objects people touch எதெல்லாம் எந்தெந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ்லாம் people touch பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்களோ that objects அது பக்கத்தில் we are going to draw a square see many things are there first let us start from this girl okay she is touching the plant and then this girl is holding the corn this person is holding horn in one hand and corn in another one hand and this boy is holding a ball and then see here the boy he is touching the rope of the kite and then this boy is holding the rope of that dog okay so likewise you have to do this activity okay I hope you will do this now let us move on to the next one okay see some activities keep us healthy and some don't see நம்ம பண்ற எல்லா விஷயமுமே எல்லா ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸுமே குட்டா நோ ரைட் சம் திங்ஸ் வில் டூ விச் ஆர் நாட் குட் ஃபார் அவர் பாடி ஓகே see அதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன you know this right we came to the end of the lesson so I hope you know that so what are some unhealthy habits eating without washing your hands or eating fruits without washing them are unhealthy. You have to brush your teeth. Without brushing you shouldn't eat anything. And then you have to use water before and after using toilets, okay va. So and then before you should make sure that it is clean. Afterwards, after using the toilet, you should clean that toilet using water. After coming out of toilet, you have to wash your hands with soaps, okay. You should be very clean, okay. So these are some of the healthy and then unhealthy habits which you should and you shouldn't do, okay va. So and then we are going to put tick mark for the activities which keep us healthy and cross mark for the activities that do not, okay. Healthy habits ku we are going to put a tick mark and unhealthy ku we are going to put a cross mark, okay. So first one, a girl is playing, she is doing skipping, okay. So is it healthy for her? Yes, it is a healthy activity, okay. So it will keep us healthy. See a boy, he is having cold and he is sneezing, right? So it is not good, okay. Always you have to cover your mouth and nose while you are sneezing or coughing, okay ma. So and then another one thing is they are playing in a seesaw. It is a healthy habit. Next one is, see a boy, see he is putting his finger inside his nose, which is very very bad because your nose is having germs, bacteria, okay. It is not healthy to keep your finger inside your nose, okay. So it is not healthy. And see the next one, he is brushing his teeth, it is healthy. The girl, she is combing her hair, it is healthy. You have to comb your hair also, it is also a healthy habit, okay va. So you have to do all these exercises in your book, okay. So after that, self evaluation. See, we have come to the end of the unit. So what you have to do is, see, நீங்களே இந்த question உங்களுக்கு கேட்டு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. I can name the parts of my body. See, if you can able to name the parts of your body, you can color this circle, okay. I can do many actions with my body like walking, running, skipping, many things. Yes, you can. If you can do means you can color this circle too. I practice good habits to keep me clean. If you practice good habits, you can color this circle too. I know the names of my sense organ. If you know the names of your sense organs, you can color it over here. So with this we can finish this topic, okay va. So if you know all these 5 things, you can color all the circles, okay. Next one, it is an extra activity. Shall we do it? See what is it is means, draw a line from each word to correct the part of the body, okay va. So inga picture கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அது என்னென்ன parts of the body ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு we are going to draw a line, okay. Shall we do it? So what is the first one? It is our lip, right? Lip. So where is lip? What is the spelling for lip? L-I-P, lip. See, it is here. Next one, what is this? What is the second picture? It is our hand, okay. So it is a lip, H-A-N-D, hand. See, you can see the small arrow mark over here, right? It is pointing the ear, E-A-R, ear, E-A-R, ear, okay, E-A-R, ear. And then what is this? Head, H-E-A-D, head. It is here only in the straight answer. And then what does it point? E-Y-E-I. And then tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. It is our hand, okay. So and then we have completed all these, okay. So these are our body parts, okay. So now next one is how many. We already saw that we have some organs in pairs and some are not in pairs, right? So now we are going to see how many we are having, okay. எவ்வளோ parts எத்தனை இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். First one, I have dash hands. How many hands you have? We have 2 hands. You can write like this or you can write in words also. How many? I have dash eyes. You have dash eyes. How many eyes do you have? Two. TWO 2. I have dash ears. How many ears do you have? TWO 2. I have dash mouth. How many mouth you have? Only one. I have one mouth. And then I have dash nose. How many nose you have? 4NE1. One nose. I have dash legs. How many legs do you have? I have two legs. I have dash fingers. How many fingers do you have? எவ்வளோ fingers இருக்கு நம்மளோட ரெண்டு ஹேண்ட்லயும் பார்த்தா? We have 10 fingers. TEN 10. Okay, we have 10 fingers. Okay, ma. So now let us move on to the next activity. We sense the sweet smell with our dash. How can we sense our smell? Using which body part? Using nose, right? Yes. So you must clean brush us twice a day. Who are we? யாரை நீங்கள் ப்ரஷ் பண்ணணும் கரெக்டாக 2 வாட்டி மார்னிங் அண்ட் பிஃபோர் கோயிங் டு ஸ்லீப்? Teeth, right? Teeth. Next one, we hear the sound of the bell with our dash. How you will hear the sound? Using your ears, you will hear the sound, right? So, ears. Good. We use our dash to chew the food. How you will chew the food? With the help of our teeth. With the help of our teeth only we will chew the food. Which part is used to find the taste of the food? How you will find out the taste of the food? Using your tongue. Okay, using our tongue we can find the taste of our body. Which part of our body help us to kick the ball? Which body part help you to kick the ball? Legs. Legs help us to kick the ball. Okay, we should flush the toilet before and after using it. You have to flush it, right? It's true or false? It's true. Okay, before and after using the toilet you have to flush it. Okay, or else you have to use the water and then you have to clean it. Okay va? Flush இல்லைன்னா நீங்கள் வாட்டர் கப்பில் மக்கில் எடுத்து க்ளீன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Okay, neck connects our head with our body. Neck இருக்கு இல்லையா? Neck இது which is our neck? This is our neck, no? Neck connects our head with our body. It's true. Okay, kids? Thank you, kids. I'll see you in the next class with a new lesson. Bye.